Mars, the red planet. Our next destination, and maybe, one day, a new home. But don't let its beauty fool you. Life here isn't as easy as it sounds. Surviving on Mars is one of the toughest challenges. The weather here, unforgiving. During the day, temperatures might reach a nice 20 C70F, but at night, they plummet to a freezing...
You know what minus 153 degrees Celsius is? It's intensely cold. It's like minus 243 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's cold enough to give you frostbite in seconds. If you're confused by the temperature, don't worry.
We do the conversion for you in the closed captions.
And breathing? Forget about it. Mars's atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, with only trace amounts of oxygen. For humans, it's impossible to survive without a suit. Thank goodness for my helmet. Without it, I'd be out of breath in seconds.
All I smell is me, and I smell pretty good.
And the smell here? Not great. Imagine rust mixed with gunpowder. Warning: incoming micrometeorite detected. The astronaut looks up, surprised. Danger is everywhere on Mars. If the cold doesn't get you, the radiation might. Mars has no magnetic field to protect you from the sun's deadly rays. And then there are the infamous dust storms. They can last for weeks, with winds reaching up to 100 km/h/60 m, strong enough to tear through your spacesuit. I was hoping for something more exciting here, maybe a Martian or two, but nope, just dust. A whole lot of dust. To survive on Mars, you must build a base that can withstand these conditions. Begin assembly immediately. Building a home on Mars isn't easy. It needs to be airtight, insulated to protect from radiation, and strong enough to survive the dust storms. On top of that, you'll need a life support system to provide air, water, and handle waste. And for power, you'll need solar panels. Lots of them. These better work, or I'm in big trouble. Cut to the astronaut drinking from a pouch, looking disgusted. Then there's water. Finding drinkable water on Mars is no easy task. You can extract it from the soil or atmosphere, but that's hard work. Most astronauts have to rely on recycling water. Yep, that's right. I'm drinking recycled sweat and pee. But hey, water is water, right? Micrometeorite approaching. Hazard detected. On Mars, there's always something trying to kill you. Even the smallest micrometeorite can puncture your habitat, and let's just say that's not something you want happening while you're sipping on recycled water. This place is falling apart, and I've only been here for a few months. Maybe I should have stayed on Earth. But it's not all bad. Our astronaut has managed to grow some crops, making Mars a bit more livable. Check out these potatoes. Take that, Matt Damon. Sure, it's not exactly a gourmet meal, but it's better than nothing. And for those of you grossed out by the water, you'll love this I fertilize the soil with. Well, my own waste. Because Mars soil is, let's face it, garbage. Life on Mars is hard. Every day is a fight for survival. But at least it's an adventure. Micrometeorite breach detected. Immediate action required. Seriously? Again? Fine. Let's go see what's broken now. On Mars, you're on your own. There's no help coming from Earth. You have to fix every problem yourself. And sometimes, even duct tape can't save you. If this doesn't work, it's been nice knowing you all. Mars isn't exactly forgiving. In the end, surviving on Mars isn't about being the strongest. It's about being smart, resourceful, and maybe just a little bit lucky. Don't worry, I'll be fine. Mars can't keep me down for long. See you on the next adventure. Mars may be tough, but it's just the beginning of our journey into space. Where should we go next? Stay tuned for the next adventure. Where should we go next? The sticky atmosphere of Venus? Or dive deep into the icy moons of Jupiter? The adventure never ends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where do you want me to explore next. Until then, keep your helmets on and your dreams high.